The next step you're going to want to take is depositing funds to your new Robinhood account. Here we are inside of my Robinhood account for demo purposes, and what we're going to do now is initiate our first deposit of $50. In order to do that, you're going to click on the button here that says buying power, and your app is probably going to say $0 if you just opened it. And then you're going to click on the black button at the bottom that says deposit funds, and this will pull up the screen here where you can initiate the transfer. Now, if you have multiple different accounts linked, you can click here under the From section and choose your different accounts. Or if it's the one that you want to use by default, you can leave it just the way it is. And then you're going to simply type in the amount of money you're looking to deposit. So in this case, we're looking to deposit $50 from my linked bank account into my individual brokerage account. And once that looks good to you, you're going to click on the review button. Now on this screen, you're going to review those details. And if you wanted to do a recurring transfer, you can change the frequency here to weekly, twice a month, monthly, or quarterly. But we want to just do a one-time transfer for this purpose. And then you're going to click on the transfer $50 button at the bottom. And this brings you to the confirmation screen that the deposit has been initiated, and it's expected to complete about 6 days later, since I do have the weekend coming up. But as mentioned earlier, you will get access to instant deposits of up to $1,000 as a Robinhood user. So that means you can invest your money immediately before it arrives in your Robinhood account. Now, with that being said, you want to make sure that you have that amount of money in your bank account. Otherwise, you might face a reversal, and this can mean that you no longer have access to features like instant deposits in the future. So we're going to click on continue, and you can see now my buying power just increased by $50.